Nope, you're not alone. Over 85% of us have gingival recession and root exposure, and so do our patients. Restorative margins are getting exposed and our patients are not happy. We see recession with orthodontics, and root caries rates are exploding. Even after gingival grafting surgery, sometimes we see the recession continues. But right now, the leading practices are taking control of gingival recession. So find out how. Come join me at my seminar, Management and Prevention of Gingival Recession. It's fast-paced, up-to-date, and loaded with the latest practical information you need. You'll take away the 5 gingival recession susceptibility factors, the 14 best ways to put the brakes on gingival recession, and you'll learn how to boost your practice bottom line with management and prevention of gingival recession. So don't miss it. I'll see you there.